This is letter A. When A has dot on it, the sound is ah, ah, ah. The animal name is armadillo.
The armadillo's armor is all that you can see. The rest of him is down inside where it's very safe to be. Armadillos have a protective shell. Most are the size of a cat. Some are only 5 inches long, others grow to be 5 feet long. They are non-aggressive nocturnal creatures who burrow in the ground, curl into balls for protection. They feed on snakes, fruit roots, and eggs.
Arby Armadillo neatly made his bed and quickly fluffed his scarlet-red pillow. He looked far, far into the dark March sky at the sparkling stars. The time had arrived. As always, Arby Armadillo was already looking forward to the automobile trip with his father, Papa Armadillo, and his mother, Mama Armadillo. They waddled to the car, anxious to be on their way. First, they went to the market, where Mama Armadillo bought a large jar of barley and some unsalted artichokes for a snack. Then Arby Armadillo and his father, Papa Armadillo, went to the barber. Before you knew it, they were on their way to Palm Tree Park for a picnic. After Arby Armadillo ate 28 unsalted artichokes, they settled back to listen to Papa and Mama Armadillo play the guitar and harp. His parents were so artistic with armadillo music. Off in the distance came the sound of large dogs barking. Seeing the startled look on Arby Armadillo's face, his father said, "We don't need to be afraid, Arby. God has given us a special secret to protect us when we want to hide." Arby asked, "What is it? What is it?" "God put a special armor on our backs. Not awkward armor like an army uses, but armor just our size. We can draw ourselves into a little round ball, and God's armor will keep us safe as safe can be." "Here comes the large dogs," said Mama Armadillo. "Let's curl into our own armor ball and surprise the dogs." So Arby Armadillo, Papa Armadillo, and Mama Armadillo curled into round little balls of armor. They were safe inside as the large dogs clawed and snarled. Arby Armadillo could hear the large dogs through his armor, but he wasn't afraid. He giggled and sang, "Tra-la-la, I'm as safe as I can be, tucked inside the armor God made for me."
Let's learn our sound word pictures. Basket, basket. Barley, barley. Jar, jar. Car, car. Bomb, bomb.